A leading global electronics manufacturer says it plans to establish a pair of factories focused on AI supercomputing in North Texas. Wistron, a Taiwanese contract manufacturer that began as part of computer maker Acer, will invest over $760 million in the new facilities, which are part of a broader effort by manufacturing partner and AI chip giant Nvidia to bring $500 billion in AI supercomputer manufacturing to the U.S. in the coming years. The two sites will be housed at the Alliance, Texas Business Park near Fort Worth. Wistron plans to invest $580 million to upgrade a nearly 325,000 square foot facility to serve as its primary site, along with another larger building that will see more than $181 million in additional renovations. Both plants are expected to be operational by early 2026. They are expected to create more than 800 jobs between them. Wistron officials said that the establishment of manufacturing in the U.S. would mark a critical step toward its overall global vision. The company, according to the Dallas Morning News, says that supercomputers are the engines of a new type of data center, created for the sole purpose of processing artificial intelligence. Fort Worth officials earlier this year approved $30 million in incentives for the project. The city was reportedly picked over competing sites in El Paso, Nashville, and the Bay Area. Wistron officials also credited North Texas's talent pipeline, industrial ecosystem, and logistics infrastructure. I'm Andy Zoll. This is Manufacturing Now.